Hello everyone, welcome to Unify Study. If you are going to attempt any exam which is conducted by NTA, then this video is very important. Please watch this video till the end and definitely subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon. There was lots of technical issue on UGC NET Computer Science 26 November, and here I will show you the recording of the other students also, what is coming from everywhere throughout the India. So actually problem is that what view we are habituated. This is the NTA mock test view. Previously 2 to 3 times what they conducted, it was the view of NTA mock test. Now they changed the software and now they changed the vendor also. That's why there is a lots of issue in server and lots of issue in the view of the question. Question is not loading properly. The images question, whenever you see any images question, the images question is not showing properly. Even also question and answer is also not showing properly because you will not get this view. This view is not there. The view is totally changed and it is very haphazard view actually. So that's why be careful if you are going to attempt any exam from NTA. Then be careful about that. They change the software, they change the vendor, and it is terrible. The worst experience forever. We don't know why NTA is doing like that. This is not a meaning. So I am going to show you the recording, what is actual issue, what is going on. Please watch the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon. So hashtag NTA issue, technical issue. Try to tag NTA on their Twitter page also. I will also try. All of you try to tweet regarding NTA technical issue everywhere. Try to send mail also, because first of all the problem was that first server issue means different places they have started later. After that, question was not loading. It was taking too much time to load the question. If you click on next button, then for loading the next question, it is taking time. Sometimes so many question is not loading. It is not showing at all. 20 to 25 question not showing. Some repetitive question is showing. Even also it is showing the question of DI, and paragraph is showing for reading comprehension. If there are any comprehension type question, there are 5 questions are coming from comprehension type. But which table? You have to refer some table for that answer. The table is actually not there. They have to make a sequence of 5 questions. The sequence of 5 questions was not there. Previously, they asked a tooth cache question, and from that only they are asking another question, but the table is actually not present there. So these are the very typical issues what students face. Although question was easy, question was from the previous years, but still because of these technical issues, students are suffered a lot. So I am showing you the recording of one of my students. Just see this recording and you can see that what she is telling.
I am Grace Susanna Roy. My exam center is Sri Vijaya Durga IT Solutions in Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. I have appeared for NTA UGC NET exam on November 26 second shift for the subject Computer Science and Applications. I have faced a severe server problem in my examination center where I could not attempt more than 25 questions because the questions were not visible in my exam, and even to submit the exam it took 1 hour long. Not sure if the exam is submitted or not. There's a great confusion in the examination center. I request the entire management to please look into this matter and do the needful for the students. Thank you.
So see, she is my student and she is telling that 20, more than 20 to 25 questions, she was not able to see that. And even also for submitting, means after submission, it was loading. That problem was there. Now see another video from another student.
Hi, I'm Hina. My exam was in New Delhi Center, Alipur, and for me the problem was when I was clicking on the next button, it was skipping 2 or 3 questions. And after 1 hour, as I have completed my paper one, then I saw like there are very different red dots, different questions left. It was around 10 to 12 questions that I skipped.
See, when she was trying to next, and unfortunately it should go for the next question, but it was skipping 2 to 3 question, and after that she realized that actually she missed 10 question. So what is that? Now next, see the next video.
Hey, hi guys, I'm Sumit Kumar and I am Ashish and our roll number. And today was the net exam for computer science and we faced some technical issues in that, like that passage question was not well structured. I got those start DI question chart in two of those, and that question which was about toothache and cavity, that I didn't see any data regarding that in all the questions. Only one question there was a chart, but the questions were not aligned properly.
Yeah, there were also two questions of images in which the images were given very large, and that was very difficult to scroll and see the figure in that image.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. That was all the issues we faced during exam.
Yes, so you can see what the students are telling. So I took only 3 videos for the different issues, but there are lots of comment, lots of messages from yesterday. I got lots of messages. So it is a request to NTA also. I am telling you to share this video as much as possible, make it viral and make the issue viral. This issue should be viral because NTA cannot play with the student. They are taking 1,000 rupees for form fill up. So when they are taking 1,000 rupees form fill up, then why they are not arranging the exam properly? Although the question is easy, but why? What students will do? They are copying the question from previous years. That is okay, but at least students should get a proper environment where student can attempt the exam properly. Exam center is not properly maintained at all. I also previously I saw, and now I am watching that it is totally different. Previously how the arrangement was, now it is totally different. And in my exam center only, they have started the exam 2 to 3 minutes later. There is no thought. After that also there was a server issue. It was not loading properly, and the question big images for the TOC question, it was not visible properly. Means it is a scrolling issue. Big statement diagram was there, state diagram, different states. And what was the only option? By scrolling they have to write, students have to draw the chart, and then they have to answer. It is a 3 hours exam, and within these 3 hours students have to attempt 150 questions. Already students are very much puzzled about time management, and after that if there is lots of issues like technical issues they are facing, then how they will do it? Is it possible? Is it possible? NTA should have little bit responsibility to provide the student the proper view, at least the proper software. At least they did not test at all. We can guarantee that when they have arranged this exam, they did not test at all that how the question is showing, how the students will do that. That is truth cache question. In somewhere means somewhere they given a data, the table, and after that after 10 to 20 question that data is coming, that question is coming. How students will remember where was the data? Is it possible? If it is a comprehension type question, if it is a question from a same table, then it should be in sequence. The sequence is not at all maintained. DI question, with the DI question it is showing the reading comprehension data. What is this? If anyone is clicking next, then it is going to a 3 to 4 question. After that question is not loading properly. 20 to 30 question is not loading properly. What is this? It's not tolerable. NTA cannot do that. So please share this video and please comment in the comment section, and no need to support me. Try to do something against the NTA, that is required. So do the hashtag NTA technical issue in the in official tweet, and after that Send the mail also. This is the NTA website. In the NTA website, the mail ID is there. So that gadmin@nta.ac.in. The phone number is there. Call them. Tell them these are the issues, what is going on, why they are doing, and most important that why they change the software. When in the mock test they giving this view is not coming at all. Those who are going to attempt the exam, be ready for that. This view will not come. What the view is coming now, it is totally different view and not user friendly view at all. It's a very much the mark for review. This was very good. This was very good view, and now this view is not coming. Now it is coming like the flag, very small, in the very small area it is coming. It is showing like flag. So many problems are there. So those who are going to attempt the UGC NET next term, be careful for that. And those who are going to attempt the NTA NET NTA exam for not UGC NET, because NTA is conducting so many tests. That is, if I am going to the mock test section, I can see there are so many exam actually they are conducting. As they change the software for UGC NET, so maybe they will change the software for other exam also. And the software is totally bad. The vendor is also totally bad. They have the lots of server issue, and NTA have to rectify this error. Otherwise, all the student will face that same issue. So please share this video, and whatever needful, please do that. Thank you. Bye.